It's Cwin Playtime Channel!
Hi guys, welcome to Cwin's Playtime Channel, and today I'm going to show you how to cook Ginisang Repolyo or Sauteed Cabbage with minced pork. Now, this recipe, you can use shrimp or dried shrimp. You can also use Chinese sausage in this dish. But for now, I'll be using minced pork. So for this dish, you need, of course, cabbage, minced pork or ground pork. You need garlic, onions, and grated carrots. Now, it's a bit hard to grate carrots, so I used food processor. So if you have a food processor, it will save you a lot of time. Let's start cooking. Prepare the pan. So in a hot pan, just put maybe a couple of tablespoons of sunflower oil or olive oil. Okay. So when the oil is hot, let's put in the garlic. Okay, garlic smells so good. Okay, that sound is from the exhaust. Okay, so next is the onion, chopped onion. Okay, so wait till the onions are a bit translucent, and then you start to add the minced pork. Okay, so in there add the minced pork or the ground pork. Add some fish sauce. Okay, so after we stir it up a bit, just cover it and wait for a few minutes until the meat is cooked. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so there's a bit of water that came out from the ground pork. Let's add the carrots. Let's wait for the carrots to cook a bit, then we'll add the cabbage. Now, this kind of dish, you can add tofu, or you can also add any veggies you like radish. Okay, so let's stir to avoid it from burning. Okay, let's cover. Wait for a few minutes and then we'll add the cabbage. So now, let's add the cabbage. Let's mix it carefully. Okay, so let's cover and let the steam do the work. Okay, so let's take a look. Now this recipe or this dish, you can use it to make your own spring rolls or lupian Shanghai. It depends if you want your spring rolls to have veggies or a little bit of veggies. It's up to you. This can be a filling for the spring rolls. Just don't include the sauce. So right there. Okay, so with this dish, you can add ground pepper. Okay, stir. Okay, so with this dish, you can also put mushrooms in it if you want. Okay, so there you go, guys. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Bye!